Hi everyone, this is Jel from Jel Tarot Guide. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, you can think of a person and alamin natin kung ano yung totoo niyang nararamdaman sa'yo, ano yung ginagawa niya ngayon, ano yung intention niya, okay? Anything about this person towards you. Okay? So, welcome po ang lahat ng signs, water signs, earth signs, air signs, and fire signs. Welcome po sa ating reading ngayon, okay? Reminder lang po na ito ay general reading, so pwede mag-resonate sa'yo, pwede pong hindi, okay? And this is a timeless reading, so kung anumang araw, buwan o taon mo ito napanood, basta mag-resonate po sa sitwasyon nyo, take nyo lang po, okay? So, ano po ang intensyon, gustong sabihin, ginagawa, anything, any information about this person na dinidil ng taong nanonood ngayon, okay? Ano po ang intensyon, gustong sabihin, okay? Oh, there's the wheel of fortune in reverse, okay? So, expect something to change. Expect something na darating sa'yo, which is good news, okay? Darating sa'yo na maganda, okay? Kasi itong tarot natin na ginagamit is oppositions po siya. Tarots of opposition. So, it's either naka-reverse siya or naka-upright. Pero lumabas po siyang upright. So, it's either, so for sure, it is a good news. It is something na situation na kagandahan, maganda. Okay? So, there's the Hierophant and Ten of Swords. So, KK. So pwedeng you're dealing with someone na Taurus. Kasi meron tayo ditong the Hierophant and Ten of Swords. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or pwedeng you're dealing with these signs, or pwedeng ikaw to. Okay? Kahit saang placements po sa inyo. Basta mag-resonate po sa reading natin ngayon. Okay? So, the Hierophant in reverse, nakikita nyo medyo grumpy yung mukha nito. Okay? And there is a Ten of Swords. Okay. I don't know if upright ba to. Upright ba siya or ito? So, sa nararamdaman ko, ito yung upright. Okay. And you're overthinking. Ang dami mong dinidibdib. Okay? Or pwedeng itong taong to is merong hinanakit sa'yo. Or pwedeng ikaw. Okay? Kasi medyo grumpy yung mukha nito. And dito naman is meron siyang swords na nakapalibot. Pero yung eyes na nababalot nito is unti-unti nang nagbe-break, unti-unti nang nagme-melt. Okay? So, unti-unti na siyang nagiging mahinahon, okay? Unti-unti nang nagiging maayos yung mood ng taong to towards you. And maganda yung outcome nito for the both of you. Okay? So, pwedeng expect something na dati galing sa taong to. Okay? So, it's either siya yung magme-make ng move kasi medyo meron siyang nakatitig kasi ako dito sa mukha ng taong to. So, pwedeng this person is older than you or ikaw. Okay? And, nahimasmasa na siya. Parang ganun. Or pwedeng ikaw. Okay? So, ano pa po ang message niyo po for this specific person sa taong nanonood ngayon? Okay? Ano pa po ang message niyo po for this person? Three of Wands in reverse, Two of Swords in reverse, and the Star in reverse. Ooh. Okay. Medyo mabigat itong tatlong sumunod na nandito. Pero, Three of Wands in reverse. This card kasi represents as something na parang doubt. Okay? Meron siyang plano, pero parang nagdadalawang isip siya, or pwedeng ikaw. As I said kanina, meron kang matatanggap galing sa taong to, and parang nagdadalawang isip ka kung kung ano ba yung magiging reaction mo, ano ba yung decision na gagawin mo. Okay? Pwedeng ikaw yung magde-decide or pwedeng itong taong to, tas ikaw yung magme-make ng move. Okay? Pwedeng ito ay vice versa energy. Okay? Nakatingin siya, ang lalim ng iniisip ng taong to habang ang ginagawa niya sa stick niya. Okay, dito. And ang lalim ng iniisip niya, sobra. So, it's either you or this person is nag-iisip ng malalim, pero nagiging maayos naman yung mood niya. Or pwedeng ikaw. Okay? And Two of Swords in reverse. Okay. So, tapos na yung laban. I mean, to the point na ang dami kasing nangyari and this person is merong hinanakit sa'yo or pwedeng ikaw ay merong hinanakit sa taong to. Pero you tried to forgive this person or pwedeng siya tried to forgive you. Okay? And alam mo yun, yung parang pinili ng taong to na magkabati kayo or pwedeng ikaw, pinili mo na magkabati kayong dalawa. Okay? Para maging maayos naman. Para hindi na yung puro away. Lalo na kasi meron ditong medyo grumpy yung mukha. Okay? Medyo may galit. Okay? So, this person tried to forgive you or pwedeng ikaw, you tried to forgive this person and merong darating sa inyo lalo na kung meron tayo ditong the Wheel of Fortune upright. Okay? Maganda. Maganda yung card na to. And the Star in reverse. Okay? You have uh, to make some sacrifices. Okay? You have to meron akong naiisip na word pero hindi ko siya masabi. Okay, there you have to compromise. You have to compromise each other. Okay? Kailangan yung timbangin kung ano yung gusto ng taong to and kung ano yung gusto mo. Okay? Kasi medyo nagkakasilungat kayo and yun nga yung nangyari. Pero ang kagandahan nito is both of you tried to, to reconcile, lalo na kasi meron tayo ditong Wheel of Fortune. Ito yung panghuhugutan natin ng magandang vibes, okay, magandang energy. Pero, because of this situation right here, kailangan nyo munang, alam mo yun, yung parang, isipin mo kung ano yung gusto ng taong to and this person, isipin niya kung ano yung gusto mo. Okay, mag-give and take kayong dalawa. And pwedeng you're dealing with an Aquarius sign or pwedeng ikaw si Aquarius. Pwedeng you're dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or pwedeng ikaw si Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, water, ba't ko nasabing water sign? So, pwedeng ikaw ay si water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or pwedeng you're dealing with someone na water sign, okay? And Taurus, and air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Bottom of the deck, oh wow, Seven of Pentacles, abundance, happiness. Kitang-kita nyo, in upright siya. Okay, so, kahit ang daming nangyayari dito, maganda yung outcome dito. Okay, maganda yung magiging result sa kung ano man yung nangyayari dito sa inyong dalawa. And sobra kayong magiging masaya. Sobra talaga. Punong-puno ng kasiyahan. You choose to forgive and to love this person even more or pwedeng this person loves you even more kahit ang dami niyong pinagdaanan. Okay? Nakikita nyo, there is a fruit, basket full of fruits, okay? Abundance, lahat ng mga kasaganahan, kagandahan, kasiyahan, lalo na dito sa taong to. Okay? Pwedeng ikaw to, nakikita nyo, meron ditong medyo older and medyo younger. Okay? So, pwedeng there is a age difference between the both of you. Pero kung ano man yun, pareho yung pinili yung isa't isa. Okay? Maganda naman tong reading na to. Parang, you choose to love each other kahit ang dami nyo ng rason para bumitaw. Pero, andun pa rin yung strength nyo sa isa't isa na, alam mo yun, yung parang you make you make sacrifices for this person and vice versa, siya din, he or she makes sacrifices for you or and also pwedeng compromise, balance each other, understand each other and love even more each other. Okay? So, maganda yung outcome ng reading natin ngayon and kuha tayo ng mga initials, random words, kung sino or ano po yung konektado sa reading ng person na nanonood ngayon. Okay? So, pwedeng mayaman, you're dealing with someone na mayaman, or pwedeng ikaw. Okay? Kakilala mula sa malayo, so pwedeng there's a distance between the both of you. Moreno, morena, matangos ang ilong, and long hair. Okay? So, yun lang po ang ating reading sa araw na ito. Naway nagustuhan nyo po. Huwag nyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel. And click the bell button para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin. Okay? Thank you and God bless.